welcomes you all. I'm starting with the presentation. Firstly, the conflict of interest. The author have no conflict of interest that need to be disclosed. Starting with the presentations, pick the philosopher's stone. These are the contents, including background, discussion, conclusion, and the references. The background, including the polymers being one of the essential material in dentistry, they exhibit excellent physical and mechanical properties and are said to have excellent biocompatibility. Various removable appliances, restorations, and prosthetic base materials are made up of polymers. Polyether ketone ketone and polyether ether ketone are two most well-known of the polyaryl ether ketone, that is PEG family. The PEG appeared in late 90s as a semi-crystalline material and exhibit excellent biological, mechanical, and physical properties for biomedical applications. The PEG is a new polymeric material which has attracted the attention of researchers for its excellent properties, which can be used in many applications. These incredible achievements of PEG as a dental material have attracted the attention of researchers to study other members of the PEG family, that is PEKK. The PEG polymer was firstly introduced by Bonner in 1962. The PEG is a methacrylate-free thermoplastic high-performance material. Recently, PEG has increasingly used as a biomaterial with properties suitable for dental and medical applications. The PEG has a wide range of applications and is used in restorative, prosthetic, and implant dentistry. Their wide biomedical applications are due to its higher mechanical resistance and the presence of the second ketone group, which allows the greater surface modifications of its surface. Now the polymer families, PEG as classified by the type. Firstly, the PEEK, that is polyether ether ketone. Second is the PEK, that is polyether ketone. And thirdly is the PEKK, that is polyether ketone ketone group. And by the application, it is used in automotive industries, general engineering, aerospace, electrical and electronics, and in medical and dental uses. In the PEG family, the PEG and PEG are the two high performance polymers. Now coming to the discussion part, the structure and synthesis of PEG. The PEAK is a linear aromatic polyether ketone represented by ultramolecular weight polyethylene. The second ketone group in PEKK increases the polarity and stiffness of the skeleton, which lead to an increase in glass transition and melting temperature and exhibit better physical and mechanical properties such as compressive strength. By pressure feeding the PEG powder into the hopper of the advanced level extruder for the formation of the single filament. The product processing carried out with superior equipments and techniques, including 3D or additive manufacturing for the production of granules, filaments, laser sintering, powders, and molded articles. The only material of the PEG family which is used in the both FDM and SLS processes is the PEG material. The PEG is also easy to injection mold, extrude for film, stock shapes, filaments, compression molding, and thermoforming. The properties of the PEG material. Firstly, the physical and mechanical properties. It exhibits excellent physical and mechanical properties such as melting temperature and compressive strength compared to other polymeric material. Second is the biological properties. The PEG exhibit excellent biocompatibility and has been presented as a promising alternative material for long-term applications to titanium material. According to Wang, PEG material has less bacterial adhesion to its surface than PEG material to the orthopedic industries. Now the application of the PEG in dentistry, including it is used in dental implants, crown and bridge, removable denture frameworks, and in endodontic posts. Firstly, the PEG as a prosthetic material. PEG has a low density, low modulus of elasticity, high strength, and acceptable wear resistance. May be a potential material for application as a restorative material in a fixed prosthesis. The CAD/CAM designing technologies have increased the precision and facilitate the fabrication of the modern restorative and prosthetic PEG materials. PEG exhibit less stress distribution around its loading areas and better physical shape was observed in the PEG coping than the zirconia copings. PEG was found to cause the most material wear but the least wear on the opposing teeth. The PEG material exhibit high wear compared to the zirconia crowns. PEG as an implant biomaterial abatements and prosthesis. In oral implantology, PEG can be used as implant abatements, implant prosthetic frameworks, prosthetic crowns on implants, and implant biomaterials. The advantage of PEG abatement is adjustable and compatible with various layering materials and can be used as a framework for implant-supported prosthesis. PEG used as an implant material because of its shock absorbing properties, metal free, high stability and low weight, biocompatible, tasteless, and no thermal or electrical conductivity. PEG for fabricating the removable partial denture frameworks and attachments. The PEG clasp can be used to provide retention for a longer duration. PEG can also be used as inserts in the removable partial denture. The Koi et al. Studied the attachment system with PEG inserts and found that PEG insert showed less retention changes and abrasion compared to the nylon inserts. PEG for endodontic post-core and endocrowns. The PEG biomaterial has been attracted to the post-core system because of its acceptable processing, that's milling and pressing, and suitable mechanical strength and shock absorbing ability. The PEG exhibits superior biomechanical behavior compared to the post-core metal and fiberglass system. PEG exhibit higher tensile strength than metal and fiberglass post-core system due to lower elastic modulus and flexural strength. Now, lastly, the PEEK versus PEG material. The PEG's moderate crystallization rate made it more preferred over for FDM FFP processor due to its dual benefit of extreme performance and easier processing. In short, PEG is very easy to 3D print than PEEK material with lower extrusion temperature in printing and super layer adhesions. PEG offers the superior strength and the properties than PEEK material. Now, lastly, concluding, the only material of the PEAK family suitable and visible in both FDM and SLS processes is PEG material. PEG exhibit excellent physical, mechanical, and biological properties in oral environment. Since PEG is more expensive than the most polymers in the market due to unique properties and characteristics which can negatively impact the growth of the market. The additional studies and evaluation are needed to demonstrate the long-term use of the PEG in dental sciences. These are my references. Thank you.